Embark on a journey into vibrant online communities and forge unbreakable bonds with your friends by creating your very own Discord account, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Begin by downloading the Discord app. Access your device's App Store, whether it's the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android. Type Discord into the search bar and press the search icon. The official Discord application will appear. Identify it by its distinctive purple icon, resembling a gamepad. Tap Install or Get to commence the download and installation process on your phone, which is typically swift. Once the installation is complete, locate the Discord icon on your home screen and tap it to launch the application. Upon opening the app, you will be presented with two choices: login for existing users or register. For new ones, as we are creating a new account, select Register. Now, it's time to provide your crucial details in the email field. Enter a valid email address. Subsequently, choose a distinctive username that will be visible to your connections and others. Then, devise a secure password for your account. Ensure you input your date of birth to verify age eligibility. Tap Continue. Once you have completed these steps, Discord will generally dispatch a verification email to the address you supplied. You may need to tap a button, such as Send Verification Email. To initiate this process, check your email inbox for a message from Discord and adhere to the provided instructions to confirm your account. Congratulations, your Discord account is now established. You will be directed to the main interface, ready for exploration. To connect with others, you can join existing communities by tapping the plus icon in the left sidebar and inputting an invite link, or you can create your own server to curate your personal online space. From this point forward, you can engage in conversations with friends, join your preferred gaming groups, or uncover new passions. Welcome to the world of Discord, and happy connecting.